Namaste. Trashtele. Good morning. I want to thank, firstly, yesterday, my birthday. So, many my friends express happy birthday. So, here I want to take this opportunity to express those people, including some leaders. Nancy Pelosi, since I know her, she's such a sort of just sort of lip service. She herself visit Tibet and talk some of the local Chinese leaders, and then come here. So I want to thank such my long-time supporters and friend. And then many other people, including Indian Prime Minister and many ministers and also chief ministers and number of sort of my Indian friend, they sincerely express congratulations my birthday. So I very much appreciate. You see, these was a friendly expression. I do not consider just a diplomatic something, but all, you see, sincerely, wholeheartedly, you see, express. So I want to thank all those people who really think about my life, something useful. So I very much appreciate. And the more people, you see, sincerely express, you see, that way, then that gives me determination, inner strength. I must live long, as much as sort of life possible. So according some my also the dreams and some sort of predictions, my life 110, and some say 113. So you see, more people, you see, genuinely sort of express friendly and respect and expectation. So I determined I must live at least 110 years.